In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chat flow for your multi-language pages in HubSpot. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click through to the official site and sign in. Make sure you're using an account with access to service tools and the conversations inbox, since that's where chat flows live. Once you're in, hover over the left sidebar to reveal the main navigation and find the service section. Open it, then select Chat Flows. On the Chat Flows dashboard, choose Create Chat Flow. HubSpot will first ask where you'd like to add this chat flow. Pick the channel that matches your plan and needs, most commonly website, so the chat can appear on your site's pages. Next, you'll be prompted to connect the chat flow to a help desk or a shared inbox. Choose the inbox where you want conversations to land, so your team can reply from a central place. You'll then see a language selector. Choose the primary language for this first version of the chat flow. This sets default system text, like button labels and system messages. Click Next. Now select the type of chat flow you want to build, such as a live chat or a bot. Choose the option that best fits how you want to greet and route visitors, then click Next again. On the configuration screen, you can enable Knowledge Base if you use HubSpot's Knowledge Base. Turning this on lets visitors search articles directly in the chat, which can deflect common questions and speed up resolutions. When you're ready, click Create to generate your first chat flow. With the first version set, it's time to create a translated version. From the Chat Flows list, open the More menu on your new chat flow and choose Clone. Give the clone a clear name that includes the target language so your team can tell versions apart at a glance. For example, append the language name or code to the base title. Click Clone to confirm. Open the cloned chat flow and click Edit. Go to the Options tab. Here, choose the correct language for this cloned version. This updates the system text to the new language and helps maintain consistency across your multilingual pages. Click Save to apply your changes. That's it. You've created a primary chat flow, cloned it for another language, and set the correct language at both creation and options level. As a best practice, keep your naming consistent across languages and double-check the welcome message and automated replies in each clone to ensure they're accurately translated. When you're done, your visitors will see a chat experience that matches the language of your pages, improving clarity and conversion across regions.